So if you guys have been following the preparation on this car, you guys would know this wasn't a quick and a simple preparation or flip.
Yeah,
I felt me ignition.
I don't mind buying one anyway. This is a nice color for a Golf. Definitely this one, but the battery is already out. Good morning everyone and welcome back to another episode of the Drive-By. So I guess this is going to be a vlog. We're just going to head off to Wingfield quickly. It sounds like the Polo's battery is flat. If you recall from the episode where I bought the car and I drove it from the auction home, the battery was flat and we managed to jump start the car. I drove the car home, and using the car in the past few days after that, the battery was also fine as it obviously gained charge as I was driving the car. Basically just gonna take a drive till there quickly, check it out. I doubt we'll jump start the car, but I just want to see how bad it actually is before I actually go buy a battery. I don't mind buying one anyway because it's probably only going to be about $1,000 to $1,200. So yeah, I'll probably end up switching over to that car depending on how bad the charge is on that battery. So I'll catch you guys when I'm on that side and we'll take the episode from there.
You know I'm working. You know I'm Mix Missy, Erica, Incense and Prince, product, joy, magic and muscle. That McCoy with the hustle. We've been working. Circle small as pinky rings. My people play position. Puzzle pieces complete the vision. Yeah, we've been working like the Energizer Bob non-stop. Bad bunnies drive to the drum line now. We've been working, we've been working, we've been working, yeah, we've been working, yeah, we've been. Last night we sent our sorrows to the stars, took our fears out to the forest, and we left them out to ride.
Okay, so here's the Polo. Definitely this one, bonnet open. Does have a loop. Okay, the battery is already out. Okay, I assume the battery is being charged. And now I'll check just now. So Sydney is the floor manager here, just moving a Golf 8 quickly. This is a nice color for a Golf 8. Anyway, let's get on with why we're actually here. Okay, so it sounds positive. There's someone that's basically approved for the car by the sounds of it. So they've already ordered a battery, so they'll just pull it off my return. So not really much spend on my side, I guess. So yeah, if this car does get sold, probably come drop the car's papers off in the week. But yeah, here's no episode here. For some reason I lost audio on this footage, but I was basically just getting into the car, explaining what the car looks like inside. The seats is in a very good condition, and the rear seats. It is a 2020 model Polo Vivo, and the car still has that new car feel, and I definitely think the new owner will enjoy this car when someone does end up buying the car. So obviously service, engine bay has all been cleaned up, and you guys can see all of that in the previous videos. I'll throw something on the screen that you guys can have a look at. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, I think as a felt me ignition.
I'm gonna fit the battery quickly.
Oh, you also getting with the spot.
Oh! So fitting the battery quickly. And we'll test the car just now. Okay, so the battery obviously works. Right, so gonna start the car quickly.
The battery challenge is
You know I'm working. You know I'm Mix Missy, Erica, Incense and Prince, product, joy, magic and muscle. That McCoy with the hustle. We've been working.
car quickly. There you go. All sorted. I think that's going to be the end of this episode. It really wasn't that much, but at least you guys got an update on the Vivo. Just a sound test for you guys. All good. All good. Like I mentioned, there's not much really on the go. It was pointless I went to buy a battery because just before I left, the battery came here anyway, so yeah. I guess this is basically the end of the series of this car. So thanks for watching and stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So the episode actually didn't go as planned. I'm back in the Tiguan on my way home. So they bought the car battery. They'll just take the battery off my return anyway, so I might have not gone according to plan in terms of content, but it obviously saved me a lot of effort. So at least you guys got an update on the car. So the car's hopefully sold, sounds positive, and yeah, it's a couple that's buying the car. I think the husband took it for a test drive first, then he brought his wife, I think 2 or 3 days afterwards. They both test drove the car, loved the car. So yeah, now it's basically just a matter of the financials and all those nitty-gritty things. So thanks for tuning in, and if you're new to the channel, you guys can see some content on that car. I'll add something on the screen now, basically of when I bought the car, what was done to the car, all the little nitty-gritty things. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's some really good content on this way, guys. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thanks to everyone that's subscribing, commenting and doing all the lovely YouTube things. Much appreciated. So from the Polo, well, I'm driving the Tiguan, so from the Tiguan and I, the drive-by is over and out. This one, show me. Is it this one? Yeah. So this is part of why we bought. Well, I came here this morning, but the battery was basically sorted. So the white car is sold. So that's the end of the Vivo. And short journey, I guess, but off to the new owner.
Working.